we are back for another one.
We're back. We're back. We got a whole board here.
A whole board.
A whole board. Hold on. Which one? This one. There we go.
Told
DJ
y'all.
Herby.
And chicken. I told y'all wasn't ready. Welcome back to another episode, The Path We Take with Jeff and Herby. You could call me Jeff, Poppy Jeffy, Haitian Poppy, whatever you want to call me.
Big dog.
Big dog, whatever you want to call us. New one for us today.
Okay.
Haitian mom.
Haitian moms.
Yeah.
We love moms.
Yes, we sure do. One of the things about me, I lost my mom when I was 8. I wish my mom was here, obviously. There are some funny things I can remember.
Mm-hmm.
She was a Christian. She used to take me places. Jack Mel was one of them.
Mm-hmm.
To do different things on praying.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't understand praying.
Right.
But then she passed away. I went to live with my grandmother, who was Catholic. So I had to go do the with the knees under.
We are all very religious.
Very
Haitians
religious.
are very religious people.
Very, very. One of the things I want to say is Haitian mom has no filter.
No, they do not.
They do not have filter. I recently saw a video of this dude. He sent a picture to his mom. And I'm not sure that was his girlfriend or for real.
Right.
Message on WhatsApp. He's like, hey, mom, this is my girlfriend. I'm showing the picture, introducing you. Then she replied, oh, kikakasa. What is this? She's the devil. What are you doing with this? And no filter.
No filter.
No filter whatsoever.
So what was the image?
I'm glad you asked.
Mm-hmm.
A girl who had piercing everywhere.
Okay.
And it was crazy the way she just responded. If they don't like someone, they will tell you.
They will tell you. Here's how I feel about it, right? People can choose whoever they want for their relationships.
Correct.
But a lot of times you do have to listen to the parents sometimes, or at least take what they're saying and process it. Just dismiss it completely because they do have some experience.
Oh, yeah.
Ultimately, you're going to decide who you want to be with. But at the same time, I think you should take into consideration what the parents are telling you because it's coming from a good place. Yeah. But now that we're parents, we know that. And I'm pretty sure back then I probably wouldn't have said that. But now we're parents, we kind of understand where they're coming from, why they're the way that they are. Mm-hmm. It's all for best interest. So
yeah, we would say certain things like, leave me alone, but we wouldn't say it in front of them.
Right. You couldn't do that.
You could not do that. Mom has no filter. Mom will walk around naked. Like, Mom, come on.
Yeah.
Oh, it's my house.
Yeah.
It's my house.
It's normal. It's a normal thing.
Yeah.
It's a normal thing.
It's a normal thing.
Again, like when you're used to it, it's not so crazy.
It's not. But when you have a friend who's over, that's when it becomes very awkward.
Yeah, it does. In Haiti, when that's happening in Haiti, even the friend that you have over is kind of used to that.
Yeah.
So there's not like...
Unless if that friend wants to come over more often, then he should be like, why are you coming over that so many times?
It's great.
Now you're like, I'm not even home. What are you doing there? Came to visit you, and Mom just said.
But you. All right.
You gotta watch out for these dudes.
Yeah. Oh man. But yeah, it is what it is, man. We've said it before. It's two different type of mentality. The way you live in Haiti or the whole Caribbean for that matter, not just Haiti. Mm-hmm. The way you grew up there and the way things are here in the U.S., it's black and white, man. It's completely different. And a lot of times we're giving up our culture and trying to adapt to what they have here. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but you do have to keep some of the things that you've learned. You do have to keep your culture. It's part of us.
I think some people look at it as code switching is bad, but it's not. When you among your people, and within your culture, you know how to act.
Code switching is good. Right.
The way I talk to my kids or friends, if I'm in a meeting at work,
you can't talk.
I can't talk like that. You know what I mean? I can't swear. Even when I was in the military, the way I talked in the military, I can't do that to my
It's not just about swearing. It's about how it's
mannerism.
Swag. It's the way you talk. It's the way you talk. You
say things, the way you start explaining things to certain people, they will get it. The way I talk to friends who I was in high school with, everything's different now.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so
code switch.
The country of Georgia, we had to take a culture class.
Okay.
Because A woman and a man cannot live in the same house unless if they're married.
Unless they're married.
Yeah, so they have that culture there.
Okay.
Here we don't. The way they look at women, especially their mom, I had a great time over there.
I don't know much about Georgia, the country. So
It's Eastern Europe, obviously. It's connected.
So they speak what?
They speak Kartuli.
Okay.
Like if you say hello, Gama Jobat.
Gama Jobat. Okay.
Yeah, Gama Jobat.
Okay.
Logoraka. Like
So hold on. Are there a lot of people that speaks English there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because going to school before they broke away from Soviet Union, they either learn French or Russian. But after Soviet Union, they could learn French or English.
Okay.
So those are in school. It might be different now. It might be Chinese or something now. Who knows?
Okay.
Everywhere's learning Chinese now. Literally. The culture, the food. I had so much fun there. I would definitely go back.
6 months in Georgia. I would like to go.
6 months. And that's one of the things I believe in the very first episode we did. I talked about the street food. It was pretty good.
Is it like, do you find it to be a place that you can live and stay there, or only to visit, or
you can live there.
No, I'm saying like you specifically. Would you live there or no?
Back then, yes.
Okay.
Obviously things have changed.
Absolutely.
So, it all depends political party, who's in power now.
Right.
Whether if it's pro-Russian or pro.
Yeah. Politics is crazy everywhere.
I was not a fan of wine until I was there. Okay.
All right.
Do we have wine in Haiti?
Like a Haitian wine?
Yeah. Because we have Babankou.
Jeez, that is a good question.
Babankou, clearly.
I have not heard of one.
Yeah.
Maybe we do, but it's not popular. I don't know, but I haven't heard of one.
Yeah.
So if you know any, Haitian wine,
please
let me know, because I have not heard of one. I think we do. I'll be very surprised if we don't. Just not as popular as.
Yeah.
Because we're not wine drinkers. I don't think Haitian.
You're not wine.
I am a wine drinker.
Okay.
But what I'm saying
Haitian
is,
as
a whole in Haiti, people in Haiti are more like beer, Babankou, rum, that type. Not so much for wine.
Whiskey, all that.
That's what I think. But maybe we do have. I hope we do.
I hope we do.
And if we don't, somebody, come on, start a wine company in Haiti.
And go to our website, The Path We Take podcast, and there's a little sponsorship. We could promote you.
Yeah. Start a wine company.
Exactly. And we have a list of packages that you can pick from. Today's price is not tomorrow's price. It's pretty cheap right now.
Absolutely.
Yeah, because I would love to see if there's a Haitian wine. Clearly as well, Chinese, they buy it to make other alcohol because it's like 90% proof or something.
Ours?
Yes.
Okay.
Whoever drinks this thing, man, your inside is burning.
Straight up. Yeah.
Burning.
I don't know. I'm not a heavy drinker. I don't drink heavily. I'll do wine.
It should be enjoyable.
I don't.
You should be able to remember what you did.
I'm not getting crazy drunk. I'll drink a little bit of something. And as soon as it starts to, I'm like, okay, that's it.
Us Haitian people, we getting recognized nowadays too. As we getting recognized, that someone can just create a wine. Even now, I see a lot of videos where women be like, yo, dating a Haitian man. Oh,
they love some Haitian.
Yes, dating a Haitian man. Ladies, tell us. If you dating a Haitian man, tell us that experience. We want to hear it. What is one thing
it's
about
not all positive. There's a lot of ladies, there's a lot of the negative stuff. They said, how Haitian men's got multiple families.
Exactly. They were like, Haitian men.
It's not all positive.
Exactly. They was like, Haitian men will love you.
But they
probably have a whole different family. I want to hear it. I've seen videos after videos.
There's a lot of videos about that.
It's mostly positive, though, that I'm seeing.
Yeah.
Which is good. So that's what we want to see. There's this girl, she posted a video how her whole experience from certain things that we say, something's about to go down. When she went to a Haitian wedding, and it's not just Haitian, other nations are recognizing Black too. This Black guy I think he was in somewhere in Asia, because he was standing in front of what appeared to be a club, because you can hear the music in the background. And the girl literally said, "You handsome, and very handsome." And he was like, "Is it because I'm Black? Is that why you saying that?" So like, yeah, you chocolate. I love chocolate.
You love chocolate?
Yeah, I love chocolate.
Yeah.
You fried chicken, I'm fried rice.
Absolutely, man. We're loved. We're loved in a lot of places.
Yeah, and he walked away, right?
Yeah.
She was like, have an open mind. You can hear it in the background.
Was it like an Asian country?
I
Or was
think it
from an
was
Asian
because it was an
country?
Asian girl. She had a
Okay, okay.
strong accent. So, but Haitians, we everywhere anyway. You know, I saw on social media some Haitian restaurants that are in Japan. They dancing compa everywhere now.
Asian restaurant in Japan.
In Japan.
Wow, okay.
I will forward that to you next time I see that video.
Oh, I want to see that.
Yes, in Japan. I think there was one in China as well.
Yeah, man. I wonder if there's any in like Jamaica and any like the Caribbean countries. I don't know. I was in Jamaica. I asked, and no one told me that they knew of any Haitian restaurant. And there's a lot of Haitians in Jamaica.
Oh yeah, because
So
I
would
saw
think
you.
that
You
they
said
would
you were
have one.
looking for one.
I was looking for
Yeah.
one, but I couldn't find any. Like I said, and there's a lot of Haitians in Jamaica. So I would think that we would have one. Maybe we do, but I don't know.
But you know, the competition is fierce right now between Haitian food and Jamaican food.
Yeah, yeah.
They all making the comparison.
Yeah.
All the food is great. I eat both. Everywhere I go,
Yeah.
especially when I was in the military,
Right.
everywhere I've stationed, I always trying to find each of those food, Haitian food and Jamaican, especially rice. Rice was the main course meal. I have to have my rice and peas.
Yeah. I mean, they all have their own flavor, their own thing. There's no real, oh, he's the winner here, the best food, because everything, there's so many different things. If you have to compare, you would have to compare things individually, meaning compare the rice, the Jamaican rice with the Haitian rice.
Yeah.
Completely, and nothing else.
Yeah.
So don't put the oxtail, don't put the
No.
brie, none of that.
Me, I am definitely a to-go. Like when it comes to rice, I will have to get the jonjo.
Okay.
Like last time I was in Stanford, literally I called like 4 restaurants. That's the first thing I asked them. Do you have jonjo? Is
Jonjo,
jonjo pawi? Like, nope, on to the next.
Yeah.
One of them I called, they didn't answer, but I saw they were open. I went, it was like, we don't have it, but we have rice and beans. I was like, nah.
So it's probably one of our best dish. It's pretty tasty. It's not easy to make. The process is a little longer than regular rice, but
And you know what would top it off for me?
Mhm.
The gratin.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm telling
You
you,
seen
some
those
people don't like
videos
it.
where they put the water? They
The
would
water.
pour water.
Oh
in
man,
it.
that's some fun. Yo, I commented under that video.
That's criminal.
Yo, I will fight you. Yeah, I will fight. I saw this video. This dude, he had this big old pot in his hand. He was eating the gratin.
And
Someone
somebody
came and just
put
put
the
the
water in.
Yo, I would fight.
Yeah, that's criminal, man.
I would
Don't do
fight
that.
you. Man, you got a gratin, you put some sauce on top of it, the crunchy part.
But here's the thing. Gratin is not just for the rice.
I know.
You've ever had like macaroni
Yes.
gratin,
Ooh.
and like spaghetti gratin, like whatever it is, whatever.
Yep, gratin,
you can turn
anything.
it into gratin,
Yep.
which is
Americans, gratin is the bottom of the pot. Like where all the season goes and sit down there. The crunchy part is the gratin.
right.
And
It's almost burnt.
almost burnt, but it's crunchy, and I
Right.
will fight you for it. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
I will fight you for some gratin. I don't care what you say about me.
Yeah.
Do you cook?
I make simple things. I can make some rice.
Okay.
I can make some rice and beans. I can make like the regular things. I can make spaghetti, macaroni, and stuff like that. But the complicated stuff like sauce pois or legume, I can't do any of that.
I tried to make legume a couple times. It didn't come out as good, but it was legume.
Yeah.
But it wasn't legume.
So,
But it was
hold on. But here's the thing. What's the one Haitian thing that you won't eat? Because I have a list of things
blé.
I will not. What?
I will not eat blé. I will not eat blé.
Wow. I love blé.
I will not eat blé.
What the hell? What do we call blé in English?
I
We gotta
don't
tell
know.
people what blé is.
I don't know, but somebody put in a comment. I don't know. I'm learning.
What is blé in English, huh? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. But we'll find out. We'll
find out. We'll put it in the description or something.
Yeah,
I
we'll
don't
put
know.
in the description.
But I love blé.
You do? I will eat my moulin à salt before I eat blé.
Yeah, I'll eat my moulin. No
I
problem.
love my moulin. Give me some zabel bok.
Yeah. Some avocado.
Avocado. Oh, yeah.
What I will not eat is what I will not eat. You could, I don't know how much money you can give me is kalalu, right?
What?
Akra, I mean not
It's
okra.
okra.
Okra is what we call it. I will not.
Oh, you are
I will. It's not the only one. I will not eat kalalu.
Bro,
I
I
can't
love
do it.
kalalu.
No way.
Is it because of the texture?
Yeah, I can't
the
do
slimy?
it. No, I can't.
Oh, bro, I love kalalu.
I can't do it.
But
That's
there's two different. There's the Jamaican kalalu. There's the Haitian.
The Haitian kalalu.
The Haitian kalalu.
The slippery one.
The slippery.
I can't do.
Oh, I love that one.
That's a no.
I will put that in anything.
Nope.
I've made rice and put the kalalu in.
Yeah, I can't do the kalalu. I can't do. I've I can't even smell it, man.
Not even in a sauce?
I can't do the kalalu. I won't do kalalu. I
Uh-huh.
won't do lalo,
Lalo?
which is almost like same slippery type.
I will eat that.
Yeah, I won't eat those two.
What?
I will not eat those two. Like back in the day,
Uh-huh.
if my mom would make kalalu, you know how they make the kalalu sauce with the meat
Yeah.
and all of that?
Yeah.
And I'm so hungry and
Yeah.
I want to eat,
You're gonna
I
go
will
hungry.
take the meat and I will wash it.
Bruh,
Oh, God.
someone tell this.
I would take the meat, I would take the chicken,
Yeah.
and I put water on it
But you
Wash it.
washed away all the flavor.
because I'm hungry. That point is
so
about
you eat
not
for-
dying because
Got you.
my
Survival.
mom made the kalalu and she's not gonna make something else.
Uh-huh.
And I'm hungry and I have to eat. So I would do that. I would take my food,
Yeah.
take the meat, wash it,
Yeah.
remove all the slippery and all the kalalu, and then I will eat it that way.
This neat.
That's what I did. That's what I did. That's how
Oh,
bad.
man.
That's how bad I don't like it. That's how much I don't like it.
In Haiti, we had like so many different avocado trees. You can hear it when it fall. When it falls, we used to just start running
Yeah.
and fighting for it, trying to find it. Other Haitian food, I would say, I don't know. Blé I think is the only one.
How? How do you not like blé? Blé is better than my moulin, if you ask me.
Bro, you see how you don't like kalalu?
Yeah.
I love kalalu.
Jeez.
And you like blé? I don't.
Kalalu, people wouldn't understand. Like,
maybe-
you guys will understand kalalu,
Yeah,
not eat it. But blé, I don't know.
Maybe we should eat it on while we're doing the show.
Yeah, I don't know.
Do you not think we should? We should try it. You
I
eat the
not
kalalu,
know
I
what it
eat the
tastes
blé.
like. That's why
If
I
y'all
don't.
want us to do it, please let us know, because I will. But
Yeah.
we got to find someone to cook it first, because I'm definitely don't know how to cook it.
Yeah.
The kalalu I can cook.
Uh-uh.
I can cook it, because I cook it with anything.
Here's the thing. I went to New Orleans,
Uh-huh.
right? I know you lived in New Orleans, right?
Yeah.
So I was in.
We talked about it in our first episode.
Yeah. So you were in New Orleans. I was in New Orleans for the first time, and one of their dish that they talk about all the time is
Yeah.
the gumbo,
Gumbo?
right?
Yeah, that's bouillon.
That's bouillon.
Yeah.
But here's the crazy part.
Yeah.
I did not realize that gumbo had kalalu.
Ah. But
So-
you ate it.
Listen,
Uh-huh.
I had it 1st and
Uh-huh.
I'm like, right? So
Yeah.
I was in New Orleans for the first time, and I'm like, okay, what should I be eating here in New Orleans? And everybody's like, gumbo, the gumbo, the gumbo. Let me try the gumbo. I'm all excited, and I'm in there. I'm like, damn, and I'm like, oh no, I just ate a piece, man,
Yeah.
and that was it. I couldn't.
You can finish it.
I could not finish, and I was
This
about to
guy
throw
right
up. I had to like get up and go to the bathroom.
If you look at a lot of dish cuisines in
Right.
New Orleans, it came from the Haitian cuisine.
Yeah.
Like especially the gumbo is bouillon.
I don't know why I didn't think of it, because they
Yeah.
always say kalalu gumbo.
Gumbo. Maybe you just
thing.
wanted to try it. You're like, yo, let me
Yeah.
try it.
Yeah, but it was good. But I can't do the kalalu. I can't.
Yeah, I love kalalu, bro.
Yeah.
Especially if I make it with the rice
Yeah.
and the gratin.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I wonder if there's anybody else.
Yep. Who else doesn't like?
Yeah.
What is something that you don't like? A Haitian dish. There's some food I ate in Haiti. I'm like, but they still eat it here too, like chitlins, like pig intestine.
Yeah.
They eat it here too.
Yeah.
But I will not find it in the north, only the south, which understandable.
We got some crazy stuff. If we mention people living here in the U.S. might go, oh my God.
I recently saw on social media where pig vagina.
Wow. Okay,
I
that's
saw-
a first. I didn't
saw
hear
that.
about that.
Someone was saying it's the smelliest dish, kind of like chitlins.
That's not Haitian. We don't eat that.
we don't. I
don't know
Like I
who
said,
would eat-
that's why I said I saw
Okay.
it. So
Yeah.
and I guess somebody who really like to eat
Yeah.
that-
I mean, it's like I said before, man, there's no wrong way. There's no wrong or right here, man. It's whatever works for you.
whatever works for you.
And it's culture, man. It's
Yeah.
culture. What seems crazy to you and I
Yeah.
may not be so crazy for them, because
Yeah.
that's culture. That's how they grew up. You do your best to respect everybody's culture and what they eat and what they don't eat. And I choose what I'll eat, but I can't tell you what to eat or what not
Yeah.
to eat.
But guys, we are at the top of the hour.
Yep.
Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Follow, subscribe,
Yes.
share it to your friend. Herby, who is Herby? His YouTube channel. Check it out.
Check it out,
Check it out.
guys. We are here. We got the podcast going here.
Yep.
Anything that you want us to talk about, we can discuss it.
Please, whether it's something that you want to see us talk about that has to do with Haiti.
Yeah.
I want to hear. I want to hear from the T Bidens. What kind of experience that you have so far?
Right.
You know what I mean? So moun ki fek vini an, et puis ou son T Biden, Mwen bezen konen ki experience ou gen de pou te fek vini.
Yeah, man. So get at us. Let us
Yep.
know. And we'll stay positive, man.
Yep.
Bless up Haiti. Things are not going so great for us right now.
It's not.
But I have faith it's not going to stay that way. And I am trying to set myself in a position, and so are you, that we can do our part
Yep.
to help it in a positive way.
That's all we can do. We doing our best trying to, bring positive things, not just our lives, but in Haiti, because
Right.
we definitely want to go back. And as I said in the last episode, I definitely want to record a live episode in Haiti.
Yeah.
02, 03. Check out the website, thepathwetakepodcast.com. If you're a company you want to sponsor us, there's a sponsorship packages. Today's price is not tomorrow's price. It's very cheap right now. Check us out on every social media platform, the Path We Take Podcast. We here.
Check it. Comment,
Check it
like,
out.
subscribe, guys. Thank
Yep,
you.
Thank you.